NotebookLM is hands down one of the best AI research tools out there, but it has one major flaw. When you generate a presentation, it locks everything into a PDF that you can't edit. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step workflow to turn that locked PDF into a fully editable PowerPoint slide deck. Let's get started. First, we need to create our source material. I'll start a new notebook and choose Web Sources. For this example, I'm typing in, what is AGI and how will it change the world? I'll select Fast Research so NotebookLM can scan the live web for the best answers. Okay, the AI is pulling in data. You can see it found Wikipedia entries, safety reports, and news articles. I don't want to use everything, so I'm going to manually check the boxes for the most reliable sources. Let's grab these 7 here. Click Insert, and now our notebook has the brain power it needs to write the deck. With our 10 sources loaded, move your mouse over to the Studio section on the right-hand side. You'll see an option called Slide Deck. Click that. This is where the magic happens. NotebookLM reads your sources and structures a presentation for you. A settings window will pop up. You can choose between a detailed deck or presenter slides. I'll stick to the default settings for now. Once you're happy with the language and length, hit the blue Generate button. Now we just wait a few seconds for it to build the slides. And there we go, the ascent to AGI. As I click through, you can see it has created a title slide, informative bullet points, and it even generated relevant images for each section. It's a great starting point, but we need to get it out of Google and into PowerPoint. Go ahead and click the download icon. By default, NotebookLM saves this as a PDF, and this is the problem. If I open this file right now, you see it's static. I can highlight the text, but I can't delete it, I can't move the title, and I can't change the design. It's stuck, but there is a free fix. Open a new tab and search for Canva PDF to PPT Converter. You can do this with the free version of Canva. Click the first link, and then look for the button that says Upload Your File. We are going to upload that exact locked PDF we just got from NotebookLM. Select the AGI file and hit Open. Canva is now importing the document. What it's doing in the background is breaking apart that flat PDF image into separate layers of text and graphics. Once it finishes importing, click to open it. Click Edit, go to Magic Studio, then click Grab Text. This AI feature converts image text into fully editable text layers. Just like that, you can edit text, delete content, change fonts, add new information. Repeat this for each slide. Yes, it takes a few minutes, but it's far faster than rebuilding everything from scratch. Once all slides are processed, click Download PowerPoint. So go to the top right corner, click Share, then click Download. In the drop-down menu, scroll down and make sure you select Microsoft PowerPoint .PPTX. Hit Download. Now for the moment of truth. Open that new file in PowerPoint. Try this method for your own projects and tell me how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe for more AI productivity tutorials.